Model Context Protocol, MCP, is the next big thing in AI. It is a protocol that allows AI clients to interact with tools, including tools that consume the system data and tools that can use to automate tasks. This protocol has a lot of potential, and many people are working on it. Last week, Zapier announced the release of the MCP integration, which is great news for protocol adoption. Let's explore a hypothetical use case on how MCP can automate back office processes in telecom. Later, I will share another use case for open banking. I want you to see how versatile is this protocol. Okay. Now, to map our applications to tools, we need to establish a foundation based on MCP. And in the design, we will configure the applications as tools to later then deploy those in an environment. Okay, here in the dashboard, we have projects, and in these projects, I have one here, telco project. We don't have applications yet, and we are going to create these applications that we saw before. So let me start creating this. I have the Swagger specification of each of these. I'm going to grab all the information from the Swagger specification here manually. Later, I will create an import tool, but as of now, we need to capture that manually here in the UI. I'm just taking the information from the Swagger and then to create the applications. Let me see a telco application over here. Let's create the application. Now that we have the application ready, I need to add the details of the API. Let me take that from the Swagger. An application can have more than one API for sure, because you can have different versions of the API. That's it. Here in this section for the API, let me take the API name that I have in the title for the Swagger and paste that over here. And then I'm going to grab the information from the Swagger as well, the description and the payload over here. That's it. I think we are all set. Let me see. We have the JSON over here. I think we are all set here. Let's create a tag for this. Let's say telco. And in this case, this API identity. That's it. Create the API. We have the API. We need to add all the 6 applications that we define in the design. And let me create another application over here. Take the information from the Swagger, paste that here. Okay, we have all the 6 applications created. And now with that, let's review the details on the application of, that we have created, the APIs that we have created. For that, let's check one application here, and let's go to the view services. And in this case, this API only expose one endpoint. Let's check another one. Let's set the subscription. Let's go to check the details here, the services. In this case, we have 4 endpoints, and these endpoints are going to be published as tools to be consumed. Let's check another one here, offer. Let's view the details over here, services, 4 endpoints as well. These are going to be published as tools. Now let's go to the project section in the telco project that we saw before, and here in the applications we see that we have now available applications, and let's just grab those here to associate that with the project. We are going to associate all the applications into the project, and with that we can expose the application APIs as tools. Let me refresh here because I have an issue. I will fix that later, and I need to add these other 2 APIs or applications, and that's it. Let me refresh and check it. Yes, I have all the 6 applications associated to the project, to the telco project, and with that we are all set. Okay, with that we are all set. Just to map or application APIs as tools, and now the MCP clients can consume those tools and communicate with the back office system. That's it. I will show you in another video how to deploy the tools just to expose those and being consumed by the MCP client. Check it. Go Rebels!